This is Steve Woodruff with Impactivity. If you've done training projects and worked with outside resources in the past, you know that there are a lot of vendors out there, and many of them sound the same. They'll say that they do these kind of training solutions and this and that, and pretty soon it all blurs. But having been on the vendor side for 10 years and having worked with many vendors over the last 11 years, I can tell you that every provider has a sweet spot. There will be one or maybe two things that a vendor will do quite well, and then there are other things that they might be able to do but aren't necessarily their best thing. So one of your challenges as someone working with outside resources is to find the vendor sweet spot and to be sure that you're giving the work, the particular project that you're working on, to the best fit vendor who will do the best work for you in that area. It's quite tempting to throw a lot of work at the same vendor just because you're used to them. Sometimes that's a good solution, but other times you're robbing yourself of getting really great work by not identifying the best vendors for that kind of project. We cover those principles of figuring out vendor selection by best fit in the workshop, Best Practices for Project and Vendor Management, so that training professionals can make sure that they have the highest chance of success working with the vendors that are most appropriate for their needs at the time.